Yummy, yummy, yummy soup. Yeah, that's all. Tengah-tengah mai, macam sil mai le malu la tino, melalang yatsuan. This is what you call chicken soup. Yeah, Lily. Apa ilalu sepuni. This is what you call a chicken soup. I use tomatoes, heaps of maybe 5 tomatoes. I just chopped it up in small pieces and put inside with some leek, that kind of a vegetable called leek, and the mahogany. Look, so that's why it looks yellow. And I put a risotto rice, that kind of thick rice. See, look over here. As you can see over here, this nice creamy one. Sekia kamala dia. Eu sou ela oli dinner. La already mako dinner. Of tele tone yaso. Wow, li manita fu malimanuia.
Mom, where's the tape?
Au lo.
Where's the tape? Where's the tape, Mom? Mom, where's the tape? David needs to. Put the phone on. Yeah.
I don't know. Lali.
See, Hannah, you never look at the tape.
Kasi tastes like kamalia.
Can't even see.
Oh my goodness. Homemade soup is the best. Very best. Best to the west. Try it. Half pot of water. Add your chicken inside. Onion. Garlic. Leeks, tomatoes, and some black pepper. I love this one. See, spicy one. A bit of salt and a risotto seasoning and the risotto rice. It tastes so good. So this is my dinner for today. Me and my babies. And my husband, so I know they like it. They will eat this with some toast on it. And thank you, Lord, for this beautiful, nice food for our dinner tonight. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more viewers or for more videos. Comment down below. And please like, share, and ring the bell on the top. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. God bless you all. Goodbye.